Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chen. I'd like to welcome all of you to Taiwan's Livestream launch for Total Solution for Energy Storage Application. Taiwan External Trade Development Council is Taiwan's foremost nonprofit trade organization. We help Taiwanese industries to market their products abroad and promote their products internationally through trade missions, exhibitions, and also marketing. We also hold trade meetings. And today, as I have already shared with you, we are focused on energy storage application, bringing 5 companies in the leading edge of energy storage solutions. A little bit of a background on energy storage. Many of you know that Taiwan is famous for electronics. Many of you have had an Acer computer or an Asus. These are 2 big brands for computer in Taiwan. Many of you may have heard of the recent news. That is TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, will establish also a fab for semiconductor production in the United States with 12 billion. So you know that Taiwan electronics is very well known worldwide. And with that little introduction, of course, then you know that everything electronic is basically powered through energy storage and through batteries. So a little bit about our companies today. These 5 companies have batteries that have over thousands of cycles and tend to have a higher energy density and a lower self-discharge. So very high quality. A little bit of the background on batteries, as many of you also perhaps know, these batteries are dominant production in Taiwan, in Japan, South Korea, and China. So of course, the energy storage is the same case too, that today you hear our 5 companies share more about this with you. Before we start, I'll also like to tell you a little bit of the renewable energy. Now it's a very hot topic in the world and also here in Taiwan. By December last year, we just finished completing the first offshore wind offshore wind with 128 megawatt. We have 4 other sites that are being constructed at this moment. So international companies, many of you that have heard of Ørsted, WPD from Germany, Macquarie, all these developers are in Taiwan. And so, of course, today, these 5 companies will also tell us a little bit more on what they are doing in this field. So I would like to also share with you that, of course, the energy storage is always looking into ever expanding because of especially offshore wind and the solar projects. You have heard that, for example, Siemens and Gamesa, one turbine is now up to 14 megawatt. So you just imagine how much storage capacity they need. And of course, they would like this to be more efficient and be smaller. So this is a very, very hot topic today. And so with that, I would like to first introduce our first speaker, Ms. Christine Chen. She's the manager for sales division in JS Power. Established in 2006, it's a lithium battery professional factory producing battery cells and packs. Welcome, Christine.
Hello, everyone. My name is Christine. I'm here today to give a brief presentation of our company, JS Power. Next, please. JS Power was established in 2006. Currently, our group capital is around USD 32.6 million. We have 2 manufacturing plants in Taiwan. Factory 1 is located in Zhunan Science Park, operational since 2019, with a capacity of 1 gigawatt hour per year for manufacturing a variety of battery pack applications. The second in Taichung, which we acquired in 2011, has a capacity of 24 megawatt hour per year. It was a company which was established in the year 2000 and currently has over 200 different types of battery cells in our production list. Next, please. We are manufacturer of both lithium cell and lithium packs in Taiwan. Our battery packs are anti-explosion and have excellent cycle at high temperature. This is due to the technology of STOBA. STOBA is patent of Industrial Technology Research Institute of Taiwan, and we are the only company in Taiwan that has been given the approval for manufacturing STOBA authorized cells. Additionally, our cells and packs have anti-propagation supported by our mechanical design. Next, please. Now, let me tell you a little about STOBA. STOBA changes the internal short relation mechanism to improve the cell safety by preventing the migration of lithium ions. In another word, when there is an abnormal increase in temperature or the integrity of the cell is damaged, a protective film is formed to isolate both the positive and negative cathode in order to prevent further chemical reactions. Next, please. We have anti-propagation safety design solutions for both plasmatic pouch and cylindrical cells. In another word, it is like a circuit breaker. If a single cell overheats as the result of short circuit, the anti-propagation safety design would stop the damage from spreading to the whole pack. As you can see from the pictures at the bottom of this slide, our anti-propagation safety design has successfully prevented further damages. Next page, please. Our product line includes industrial devices such as medical and military applications. We also have customers in the field of power tools, drones, robot AGV, and e-mobility. Smaller applications such as wearable devices and smart cards are also within our scope. STOBA was introduced into the application of telecom, UPS, and ESS design. Next page, please. This slide shows JS Power's ESS, which was installed at the security station at our headquarters and has been running for a year. Together with the 3K watt power panel, solar panels, and the ESS powers all the electricity needs of this station, such as air conditioning, computers, and it will enable e-scooter charging as well. Next page, please. This is a rough product spec for the ESS we just saw in the previous slide. Each 2U modules operates at 48 V and 50 Ah with a cycle life of 5,000 at 0.2 C. We are able to customize ESS with this module according to customer needs. Next, please. We've provided our battery modules for the building of UPS by Schneider Electric Global for Taiwan government tender in Information Center, which has been running for 9 years. Next, please. We also provide our battery modules for the building of UPS by Eaton Corp, also for a Taiwan government tender in Information Center, which has been running for 8 years. Next, please. Lastly, this is our second generation mini UPS, which has a 1 kilowatt inverter and 1 kilowatt hour battery pack. The first generation was introduced 9 years ago during the Japanese earthquake and tsunami. This mini UPS can be used to power household electronics such as laptop, lights, and communication devices. Next, please. Thank you very much for your attention, and please feel free to contact myself or Anne for further information. Thank you very much. Back to you, host.
Thank you very much, Christine, for that very detailed and informative presentation. As you probably saw at the end, Christine was focusing on the STOBA because this is actually something that many other, it's like almost like a special patent because it was developed with Taiwan's Industrial Technology Research Institute. This is the foremost industrial research institute in Taiwan, and they develop many and come up with many new inventions and receive many patents. And of course, you heard that STOBA is applied in, for example, Schneider Electric and other very big projects that you have seen from Christine's sharing. You also saw that, so just wanted to share a little bit about E3 with you. And thank you very much about this STOBA. If you have any more questions, because due to the time constraint, we ask the presenters to only focus very much in energy storage. Please make sure you can see the questionnaire at the bottom left of the screen. at any time during today's presentations, please use this questionnaire and fill it out and send it back to us here at Taitra, so we can give you today's presenters' contact information and also presentations for your reference. Okay, so thank you very much, Christine. And our next speaker is Mr. Alan Lin. He's the sales manager of United Renewable Energy, or URE. A little bit of a background on URE is that they are now Taiwan's largest solar cell and a solar company manufacturer, and also one of the largest in the world, because it's in order to bring value added, they combined solar cell with module and a system and integration. So, but today especially, so if you are interested in any of solar cells or modules, of course you can contact Alan, but especially Alan today will tell us more about their energy storage solutions. Welcome, Alan.
Thanks, host. This is Alan. On behalf of URE, I would like to take this chance to introduce our company and also our battery energy storage system. Next, please. As you know, URE is integrated from 3 companies and by the power and fund of the government. Yes, we are new, but all these companies are well known for decades. They are major as solar cell, solar module, and also system installation. And for me, I'm working for the new department, which is major at design the battery energy storage system. And this department is started since the new company start. Next, please. URE is not just the solar cell and module producer. We also own our own project all around the world. Thanks. Next, please. And for the BESS, we are not only the solution provider. We have our own design ability, from battery pack up to the whole system. And we integrate them with our own energy management system. Next, please. For the industrial BESS, I'm proud to announce that we are the first one in Taiwan who have passed the ULO 9540 certificate. Next, please. Moreover, for industrial BESS, we are also the first one to pass such cert at the ULO lab all around the world. Next, please. As you know, there are several well-known companies that pass the same cert. From Tube, the main difference is in ULO lab, they will review all the detail down to all key components. And for Tube, they will review the testing process only. So if you choose URE, you are choosing the safety guarantee from inside out. Next, please. As I mentioned earlier, we are not just the solution provider. We have our own design ability. We design our own pack up to the whole system. And we have our own energy management system. Moreover, we have several patents inside. Next, please. For our industrial BESS, we had 2 different sizes. We had 20-foot and we have 40-foot container size, and they are scalable. They are able to parallel connect it up to larger scale. Next, please. Besides the safety guarantee, I think most of the customers are concerned about the efficiency. This is the data from our own factory application. Our container is able to enhance the efficiency up to 0.2% from March this year to May. Next, please. And as you know, we are not just a BESS provider, we also provide the solar panel. So if you contact me, you are able to contact the supplier who could offer the utility scale application and also the microgrid application. So that's it for my introduction today, and thank you all.
Thank you very much, Alan. As we heard from Alan, the URE can provide you with residential and also industrial applications for energy storage. And also he reminded us of the many certifications that they were the first. So a lot of achievements from URE's side. And also to remind that our 5 companies today, they have been serving the international market for many years now. And so they also have many international certifications. So if you need more information on this, remember to use our questionnaire at the bottom using the QR code. Okay, thank you very much. Our next speaker is Ms. Adelia Huang. She's the cell expert and founded in 1997 with over 20 years of experience. She will share with us on their lithium battery pack. They can do the testing, analysis, and manufacturing. So the floor is yours, Adelia.
Thank you very much for the introduction. Hi, everyone. My name is Adelia from Cell Expert. I'm here today to give you a brief overview about our company. Next page, please. Cell Expert is a battery manufacturing company with more than 20 years of experience in manufacturing and designing lithium-ion batteries. That is to say, we manage all the following aspects of the manufacturing process, from cell selection to sorting, to designing mechanical and electrical parts of the packs. All of our batteries are also integrated with battery management system, and we are also responsible for assuring the safety and reliability of our products. Next page, please. Our headquarters is located in Taiwan. We also have another factory and office in Kunshan, China, as well as a factory in Subang, Indonesia. Both of our factories in Taiwan and China are certified. Next page, please. Here's an overview of the location of our factories and office. The first one is our office and factory in Kunshan, China, which was completed back in 2013. The second one is our Taiwan headquarters, which is also equipped with its own safety laboratory. And finally, the third one is our factory in Indonesia, which has been operating since 2018. Next page, please. These are the professional qualifications that Cell Expert has earned over the years. Our labs and plants in Taiwan and Kunshan are certified by UL, ISO, IEC, and UN. Next page, please. Over the years, Cell Expert has managed to steadily grow our sales and sales volume. Last year, we have made about $300 million of revenue. Our production is divided among our 3 factories. In Taiwan, we have 5 production lines, and we mainly produce telecom, notebook, and high-power batteries. Our factory in Kunshan is bigger, and the main products that are manufactured there include laptops, tablets, ESS, power tools, as well as telecom and high-power batteries. Our Indonesia factory is currently still on its first phase. At present, we mainly produce batteries for laptops and streetlights. Next page, please. Here's the product application map of our batteries. We started from manufacturing batteries for notebooks and gradually expand our market into other areas, including power tool, e-vehicle, e-bike, e-motorcycle, and now ESS. Next page, please. These are the highlights of some of our ESS products. At this moment, we have ESS B series and M Plus series. Both of them can be used for industrial and residential ESS, as well as UPS applications. For higher capacity, we also have N Plus 4.0 BB and N Plus M, a battery management unit. Their main focus is to provide flexibility, safety, and high reliability solution for ESS applications. Next page, please. Here is a closer look on N Plus M as a battery management unit when connected with N Plus 4. This connection produces flexible voltage range up to 1000 volt DC. As you can see in the picture here, there are 14 M Plus 4 and only 1 M Plus M to help manage the information among the packs. You can also customize the number of the packs to your needed capacity with the maximum of 24 packs of N Plus 4. Another key feature of this connection is to allow users to regulate the optimum electric power needed and to assure stability. in the incoming electric load. Next page, please. If you have more questions and would like to know more about our company and our products, you can visit our official website or contact us via emails or phone calls. That is all from me, and thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Adelia, for your presentation, and also congratulations on the new Indonesian site. And so, yes, as you saw, many certifications. And I'd like to now refer your attention to the online meeting QR code. You can also find this at the left-hand bottom of your screen. This online meeting will take place on July 21st. And so if you're interested in talking to our presenters today and finding out more and perhaps making some business, then just use this QR code, and we would like to welcome you on July 21st. So at any time, use this QR code to sign up. Okay, thank you very much, Adelia. And I'd like to welcome my next speaker. This is Mr. Richard Chang. He's a sales manager for Sego Energy. And Sego Energy is specializing in lithium-ion battery. Especially today, Richard will share with us on how they, what type of applications they can use in this lithium-ion battery solutions. Welcome, Richard.
Thank you. Hello to the world. This is Richard, sales manager of Sego Energy. Sego Energy is a young, 5-year-old company, but we have almost 20 years of experience in the lithium-ion business. We are headquartered in Taiwan and have business representatives located in Japan, Europe, Africa, India, and United States for the service nearby. Next slide, please. What can we do for you? First of all, we are LG Chemical largest distributor in Taiwan. A steady battery supply source you can rely on, as well as cost advantages. Secondly, battery packing engineering service for all these years, market-proven capability, and well-established partnership with leaders in the field. We will be a very useful partner to your business. Next slide, please. Our major business is OEM, ODM, based on your power demand, no matter in renewable energy, high energy backup, low voltage EV, or anything power related. Next slide, please. All our packs are produced from our 2 megawatts factory in Taiwan. We are rather a small in scale company compared with the previous one, but a lower MOQ and a more flexible delivery will be our strong point. Next slide, please. Let me start by introduction from this very important item here. We are now powering 4G base station to Taiwan freeway ETC system, automation toll collection, by this 3 kilowatt battery pack. With this flexible, stackable 3 kilowatt battery packs, we can tear in your ESS product. Next slide, please. From smaller capacity ESS of 10 kilowatt to 15 kilowatt to even larger scales of a 20-foot, 40-foot container size stationary, like that. Below, next slide, please, is a installation of a 200 kilowatt, 20-foot containers to our customer in Japan. And also we export to South Africa, East Europe, and Taiwan too. Next slide. Besides the larger scale ESS, we also tackling smaller application of low voltage and small capacity energy backup battery packs for the applications like small house, home away from home campaign, caravan, RV trailer, yacht, and secondary battery for vehicle, etc. Next slide, please. RV camping, we are supporting almost a turnkey solution for a full lineup of product and for fast revenue. Next slide, please. We are currently support the largest RV trailer maker in Japan and probably in Taiwan too. Next slide, please. There is a fast growing demand in AGV for your information. We are now supporting China Motor, a automaker who OEM Mitsubishi and local branding vehicle in Taiwan for your information. At the end of my presentation, next slide, please. At the end of my presentation, I would like to tell you that 50% around our business right now is for low voltage electric vehicle, e-bicycle to be more specific. Next slide, please. If there were demands in low voltage EV, tour car, e-bike, e-scooter, something, you know who you can turn to. Next slide, please. The service we can offer to you briefly addressed here for your information. Please send your business request to me for further service. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Richard, for your presentation on Segal. That electronic toll collection system is really wonderful, because at that time I had just come back from study in Germany, and we still had the people collecting these tolls. Many of you, if you have gone on the highways, different countries in the world, maybe you still know about this stopping and giving the fee, the toll to the person, and then they let you go by, and you know what type of traffic jam this causes, especially on rainy days. And so after they implemented this electronic toll collection, ETC, this just, I mean, you're just driving and you don't even need to pay attention to it. It's wonderful. It's fully automatic, as you heard from Richard. And also another application that Taiwanese companies developing the battery power is for the, you heard EV. EV, especially also the bikes are selling very well in Europe. And so, for example, many of you have heard of Giant and Merida. They are major bike producers, and they may be selling as OEM and ODM to other countries. But of course, then Segal Energy can provide the battery pack for your needs. Okay, so thank you very much, Richard. And I would like to welcome our last speaker today. His name is Brian Chen. He's the Assistant Sales Manager for Opti Solar, and established in 2007. They started first with the supplier as the uninterruptible power supply, or UPS. But today he will focus more on the different types of solar inverters. So welcome, Brian.
Thank you very much for the introduction. And hello, everyone. I'm Brian from Opti Solar. Today, I'm going to present you a quick overview of our company and product solution. Opti focus on UPS and solar inverter products, as you can see from our logos. Next page, please. So we have started the UPS business very early in 1991. We have worked as an UPS supplier and gained a good reputation for almost 3 decades. In 2006, we have branch office in Dubai, and in 2007, Opti plans to move forward to solar field. Next page, please. So regarding the production distribution, we have factories in both in China and Taiwan. So our customers could decide the manufacturing places based on their requirements. Next page, please. And currently, the market of Opti Solar has expanded to Africa and Europe. So in order to fulfill the need of local clients, a warehouse in the Netherlands was to build to serve as a logistics center. We are now putting more and more efforts in the markets in Africa. And we're also looking for more opportunities to work with local distributors in South Africa. Next page, please. And now we are looking into some features and details of our solar inverters. Next page, please. Our initial series. This is our most economy models among our products. It is designed for the beginners with a really affordable price. On the right side, you can see our Brilliant Plus series. It comes with multiple MPPTs, which boosts its charging efficiency. Its PV capacity could also reach up to 9,000 watts. So next page, please. In this page, you can take a look at our Handy series. The reason that makes our Handy series stands out is its high PV input voltage. High PV voltage allows the PV modules to be put into parallel, to be put into series, instead of being put into parallel. By doing so, it has significantly reduced lots of time and work for the installer. And on the right side, you can see our Handy Plus. Handy Plus has additional Bluetooth function and detachable control panel. Its BMS systems allows the batteries to have a longer lifespan. Next page, please. So if our client is looking for an inverter to be applied for a server or some delicate equipment, our Regal series is highly recommended because of its zero transfer time feature. Its design is similar to an online UPS. And it could also be put into parallel up to 9 pieces to maximum about 45 kilowatts capacity. Next page, please. So last but not least, our 7K Handy Ultra, our new released model. The 7K capacity is built mainly for the inductive load users. Our 5K Handy might not be enough for the load that comes with surge powers. So if users are looking to use air conditioners, they might be looking for larger models. Therefore, we increased 2 kilowatts capacity to fulfill the requirements. And the unique part of this model is its LED light bar. When it is operating in different modes, it will indicate different color bars and sparkle. The advantage of high PV input voltage from Handy series is also kept. And its built-in parallel kits is also easier for the user to stack up the capacity. Next page, please. So that will be all for my presentation. And now we are also looking for opportunities to work with installers, distributors, and agents all over the world. If you're interested in becoming one of our partners, you could contact me directly by Skype or emails as it shows. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Brian, for your presentation. As you have heard from Brian, Taitra, of course, brought an inverter company because many of you in the renewable energy business know that, of course, in AC to DC conversion and back and forth, you require inverters. So Brian told us about their series, different type of series for different type of applications and the sizes of inverters that they offer. So also just a reminder that these 5 companies are already exporting abroad. They are many years in the industry. They have also received many certifications. And so here now, again, to remind you, please use the QR code on the right-hand side of the screen if you haven't done so already, and fill out our questionnaire. When we receive this back, we'll give you today's presentations, which you saw that includes the contact information for these companies. So if you have any additional or detailed questions, you can contact the companies directly. Also, on the left-hand side of the screen, again, you can see the July 21st online trade meeting. This will be also held by Taicha to promote the trade. If today you found today's presentations very interesting, then you can talk to Taiwanese manufacturers for energy storage on July 21st. So in that case, use the QR code on the left and sign up. Okay, so I would like to once again say thank you to all our presenters, including Christine, Alan, Adelia, Richard, and Brian for your very informative presentations, for your time. And I also like to say thank you for all the attendance today. You guys are really awesome. And I hope that we'll see you again in future TaiTrust live stream launches. And please remember to like us in YouTube or follow us, and we would like to see you once again. Okay, thank you very much, and goodbye for now.